Failure is part of success. It's not the opposite of success. But you need to get it in the right perspective, the right attitude. Then you're able to turn that failure into success. There's many aspects of life which I think would define success. To me, if you are able to sleep peacefully at night, is a form of success as well. Or you're able to live healthily, even you've gone through a difficult period. I think that is also a kind of success. Or when your family is so lovingly close to you, I think that is a reflection of success as well. A lot of successful cases are counterculture anyway, because they are able to break the mold of what people think, and then and of course because of that they have breakthroughs. Consistency. It's not about you being stubbornly not being able to change, but it's really you're guided by something, and then with that baseline foundation principle, you start to go to a different environment and conduct yourself. It becomes more a character of a person.
So you don't change because of that.
You don't change. You carry those with you, but those are the similar traits that I think succeed in an environment.